Check for hazards. I don't see any hazards. Patient lying on the floor. Sir, can you hear me? Sir? Sir, can you hear me? No pain response. Look in the airway. I don't see anything. I'm going to look, feel for breathing and feel for a pulse. Okay, no pulse, no breathing. Starting compressions. I need help, please. Bring me an AED or defib. Plug it into oxygen. Is help right? Excellent. Thanks. Can I ask you to come to where I am and take over chest compressions for me?
Okay, do you want me just to do over there?
Yes, please. BVM and...
Okay. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22.
Stop them.
4.
Cool. That is a VF back in the chest, please.
1, 2, 3, 4.
After the charge, you're going to just continue, all right?
9, 10, 12.
Cool. Clear?
14.
I'm clear. You clear? Top, middle, bottom. Shocking. Back in the chest, please.
1.
All right. So, sir, can you just tell me, please, what's happened here?
Yeah, I just came into this communal area and found in
14, 15, 16, 17,
Okay.
18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Can you also count? Can you ventilate?
1 ventilation, 2 ventilations.
Thanks.
You can rise and fall of the chest.
Can you please count how many cycles you've done?
Okay, so cycle 1, second cycle, 1, 2, 4.
How long has it been down for?
6, 7, 8.
I saw it about 15 minutes ago and then been told because I went out to the garden, come back
20, 21,
found
22,
collapse of
23, 24,
10 minutes, I should have
27,
imagined.
29, 30.
Okay, thanks. Do you know if he has any medical conditions?
No, not at all. You should fit money's a runner.
Ventilation 2. Start of the third cycle.
Right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Any
6,
medication?
8,
Any previous
9,
medical history?
11, 12,
Okay.
13, 15,
You can
16,
change the rhythm, can't
17, 18, 19, 20,
What,
21,
what cycle?
23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. This
what
was the
cycle?
end of the third.
End of the third. Cool, I'll take it there.
Okay.
You can keep it on the face? No.
So just connected to oxygen.
I did, yeah. 21, 22, 23, 24, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. So you're saying that that's the end of the fourth,
1
eh?
ventilation. 2 ventilations. So this will be
Last
the
one.
start of the fifth.
Start of the fifth. Three, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Cool, rhythm check. That looks like a PA.
2 ventilation.
Cool, there is no pulse, back on the chest. So that's 1. Thanks for the double hand. We've got good chest rise. It's 1. That's 2.
Ventilate. Ventilate.
You can change the rhythm there for me. That's our third.
Three, two, one. Ventilate.
That's our fourth.
Ventilate.
Last one.
Three, two, one. Ventilate.
Cool. Let me just check the rhythm.
Ventilate.
So that looks like another VF. We're going to swap up to this. Swap compression, sorry. I'm clear, you clear, top, middle, bottom, shocking. Back in my chest, please.